Welcome to testing advices. So guys, in the previous video we have seen the installation of Jenkins. Now in this video what we are going to do, we are going to download some additional plugins. So once you jump to this particular dashboard, what you need to do, you need to click on this manage Jenkins. Now within this, what we'll do, we're going to click on this manage plugins. Now browse to this available and in the search box type green balls. Okay. So what happens guys, whenever we are going to execute the test cases, so it will be indicated by a blue balls. Okay, but this plugin will enhance it. So for example, our test case runs successfully, so it will be indicated by green. If it fails, it will be indicated by red, and if there are any test cases which are skipped, so that will be indicated by yellow. So for that we are going to download this add-on. So click on this install without restart. So here you can see the progress of that particular plugin. So rightly it is showing us pending. So in the previous video we have seen there are many plugins which are not successfully downloaded. So whenever we are going to visit this, it will again try to download the previous plugins. So now you can see it is successfully installed. Now what we'll do, again we'll go to manage plugins available tab, and this time we are going to download Maven Invoker. So here it is, Maven Invoker. The next thing that we are going to download is Maven Release. So Maven Release plugin. So click on this again, install without restart. So as you can see, all these plugins are getting downloaded. The next plugin which we are going to require is testng. So let's jump to manage plugins available and download testng. So here it is, testng result. Click on this, install without restart. So guys, if you see, there are two plugins which are highlighted as failure. So in this particular case, what we can do is, we can click on this command prompt and press Ctrl C to shut down the Jenkins. Okay, now again click on the up arrow of your keyboard, okay, and hit enter, and now just refresh. So we'll see the message Jenkins is getting ready. So as you can see, it will automatically load once Jenkins is fully up and ready. So now admin is the admin password. Okay, so in the previous session we do have set the password, so let's try that. Yes, so now we are jumped into this dashboard. Let's go to manage plugins, check now. So let's see if the previous plugins are installed. So let's hit Maven. This Maven, there must be Maven Invoker and Maven release. Okay, Maven Invoker. Yes. So I guess that has been downloaded. That is why it is not getting reflected inside this available. Yes, it does has downloaded. So let's move on to the next one. The next one which we have is testng results. Okay, that is downloaded too. Let's move on to Cucumber reports. So here it is. Click on install without restart. Yes. So now we are into this Jenkins dashboard. So we have downloaded the plugins which we will be requiring. So let's again go and check if there is any pending one. Okay, so go and click on this manage plugins, then the installed one. So guys, if we go and browse to this install tab, so you can see all the installed tabs that we have downloaded. So here is that green balls, okay, and its respective version. Then we downloaded this Maven Invoker plugin. Then if you want to downgrade any plugin, then you can also click this to downgrade the plugin. If you want to uninstall, you can click on this uninstall. So yes, so this has been done. Now the next thing that we need to do is need to go to Jenkins, okay, and we are going to click on this manage Jenkins, then global tool configuration. So here it is, global tool configuration. Okay, so now we have installed and we have downloaded all the plugins. Now the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to set up the Java JDK and Maven with the Jenkins. So that we are going to look into the next video. Thanks for watching the video.